Hello students, in today's experiment we are going to make a temporary preparation to show pollen grain germination on slide. So pollen grains or microspore is the cell of male gametophyte, and the development of male gametophyte begins inside the microsporangium or pollen sac. And the pollen grain is uninucleate in the beginning, but at the time of liberation it becomes two-celled, a small generative and a large tube or vegetative cell. On stigma, this pollen grain absorbs water and nutrients from the stigmatic secretion through its germ pore, and the tube cell give rise to pollen tube. The generative cell also descend into pollen tube and divide into two male gametes. So this is about the introduction of pollen grain, and the aim of our today's experiment is to study the process of pollen germination on slide using compound microscope. So here, as I am doing this practical at home, so we don't have microscope, but I will show you how you are going to observe the slide under microscope. So for this experiment, firstly we will see certain requirements and then we'll start with the procedure. So to study pollen grain germination, we need this hibiscus flower. You can take any other flower like periwinkle, sunflower also. Here I need sucrose solution, filter paper, this petri dish, slide and cover slip. So these are my requirements. Now let's start with the procedure. So firstly we will take a drop of sucrose solution on this slide. So here this is sucrose solution. Take a drop of sucrose solution on this slide. You have to keep it here. Now you have to take this hibiscus flower. You can see this is the anther part, and on the anther here pollen grains are present. So what you have to do, you have to dust the pollen grain on this slide. So by the physical mean you can dust this pollen grain in this way very slightly. You have to dust like this on this slide. Yes, you can easily observe the pollen grains on the slide. Yes, these are the pollen dust. Now you have to take a petri dish. This is my petri dish. You have to take this filter paper. Keep in this petri dish like this. Add some water in this and make the moist chamber. Yes, so in this way our moist chamber is ready. Now you have to keep your slide in this petri dish and cover it with another one like this. So this is my moist chamber. Now leave it undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I am back after 15 minutes. Now you have to open this chamber. Remove this slide from here. And now you have to take cover slip. This is my cover slip. And you have to cover the slide with cover slip. So very slowly, just you keep your cover slip on the slide like this, so that no air bubble should come in this. Yes. So in this way you have to cover your slide with cover slip, and now your slide is ready. Now you can observe it under low power of compound microscope. Now if you will observe this slide under microscope, you can easily identify that in the nutrient medium how these pollen grains germinate, and a thin pollen tube emerges out of the pollen grain through one of the germ pore to form a pollen tube. and it is due to enlargement of tube cell and stretching of the intine. And the tube nucleus and the generative cell get transferred into tube, and the generative cell will divide to form two male gametes, and each male gamete is lenticular to spherical in outline. So this is our observation. If you will observe this under microscope, you can observe here two male gametes in the pollen tube. So here pollen grains germinate on the slide in the suitable nutrient medium. Here we had taken sucrose solution as the nutrient medium. So for doing this experiment, you have to follow certain precautions, as the flower which you are taking, that should be freshly plucked, and you have to always use clean slide to observe the pollen grains. Thank you.